Yo, my man, do not click away from this video because you need to stay locked in until the very last second. Every single moment here is absolute gold and is going to save you massive time and cash. Alright, first step, we are jumping straight over to aistudio.google.com to load up this clean interface. Look over at the right hand side under runtime settings, and if you're a first timer, go ahead and smash that audio section. From there, you're going to select Gemini 3.1 Flash TTS, which is going to open up this absolute beast of a playground to create your text-to-speech voices. Next up, let's open the model settings and check out the temperature slider. Now, if you crank this temperature up, it's going to randomize the voice with random laughs and feelings that you can't even control. So if you want a clean, realistic, steady human voice, my advice is to leave it right at the default 1.0. And then you can just close those settings right up. Now, let's roll over to the turn text into natural sounding speech section. But before you click in, check out these 8 quick templates. These are basically pre-built AI voices designed for different test scenarios. So if you just want to hear how they sound before you start cooking your own script, you can click any of those bad boys. By the way, bro, if this video is already bringing you massive value, do me a quick solid and comment FLA down below. It means Free Learning Academy, representing the squad. Alright, now let's jump back in. When you're ready to create your own custom voice from scratch, go ahead and click Turn Text into Natural Sounding Speech to load up the 2 main modes, Text and Composer. Now, you can choose either one based on your vibe, but I highly recommend going with Composer mode. Bro, see, if you're just writing a single, straight-up story, text mode works, but it only supports one speaker. Whereas, if you're trying to create multiple voices for a podcast or a dialogue, Composer mode is where the magic happens. Once you're in Composer mode, you'll see a setting called Scene, which literally sets the stage, defining the physical room and the mood or atmosphere. Right below that, we've got Sample Context, which gives the AI a natural starting point, so the voice enters the scene like a real person. This is where you select your speaker, paste your script into the box, and use square brackets to drop in specific feelings. After that, slide over and open the speaker settings on the right side of the screen to check the audio profile. This profile defines your speaker's persona, whether they sound warm, super energetic, or professional. So just grab the one that fits your scenario. Lastly, we have the director's note settings. They look a bit complex, but don't sweat it. They're super easy to configure and are split into 3 quick parts. First is style, where you can pick the vibe like vocal smile, newscaster, whisper, empathetic, promo hype, or deep band. Second is pace, which controls the speed of the speech with options like natural, rapid fire, the drift, or staccato. And third is accent, letting you choose how your speaker sounds, including natural American, gentleman American, Valley, American South, or British RP. Once you've dialed all of those in, choose your voice, hit that play button to hear your creation, and listen to your custom speech come alive. And that is the complete rundown on how to navigate this platform and set up your voices like an absolute pro. If this saved you some time and money, make sure to subscribe to my channel, leave a like, and share this video with your crew so we can keep cooking together.